Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I am an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and today I want to talk to you about how to draft your own will. Before I get into that, I want to give you my contact information. You can find me through my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. The reason that I am talking about this today is because I want to let you know that I have created a course where people can actually follow along and draft their own wills. This course is going to be available in the very near future. It's completely finished. Now it's just a rolling out process. So I wanted to give you a little bit of an idea of what you're going to learn and give you a few tips now in case it's something that you're interested in. First of all, did you know that you could draft your own will? I think some people know and some people don't. Some people honestly think that you have to hire a lawyer to do that. The truth is you don't. There are multiple kinds of wills. One kind of will is called a holographic will. In California allows this. It's a handwritten will, completely handwritten in your own handwriting, no typing whatsoever. You do not have to have a notary and you do not have to have any witnesses. It's just completely on a piece of paper that you write on, and it's valid. There are formalities that have to be followed, but for the most part, that's the gist of it. As an extension of that, there is also a form that you can download from the California's Judicial Council website that is a form will where you can fill in a few blanks and follow the directions on what they say for how to execute it. I don't use those forms because they have very little room and attachments can be very tricky and can get lost, and you don't really have drop-down menus and choices on what you want to put. You can't really scratch out clauses. So that's a very limited option that I do not usually recommend, but that's another type of will. And finally, it's the traditional style of will that you're probably thinking of that most people have, which is a typed will that you have full control over what is in it, what it says, and then you sign the will and have it properly executed. Now, if you're typing a will, did you know that you do not get your will notarized? That is something that many people don't understand. A will needs to be witnessed by two independent witnesses who are not beneficiaries. That's one of the many rules about formatting a will. Part of the reason I created this course is because for those of us who are capable and want to create our own documents, there should be one place that you look to get all of the rules, to get some sort of explanation of what different things mean. And you don't need to have a browser with 1,000 tabs open and hope that the website you're on is up to date and is giving you correct information. This course is designed so that it's a one-stop shop. Not only do you get education on what everything is as far as what is a will, what does it do, what does it not do, who are the people involved in a will, how do you create it, what do you write in your will, how do you phrase it, what kind of terms are necessary, is there an order in which it needs to happen, and then on top of that, all of the formatting rules that are actually legal rules that you have to follow in order for your will to be valid, in addition to several additional special clauses that may or may not apply to you. I give you a whole background on different types of property and how it's owned and what it means and how you can devise that property. Community property, separate property. We also get into all sorts of Latin phrases that come up often that may not be easily understood, and why some should be used and why plain language should be used on the most part. So that is where you should go if you want to actually create your own will. It's a one-stop shop. You don't have to hope that what you're looking at on the internet is accurate. I am teaching you in videos and through PDFs and all sorts of other media. You can see my face, you can hear my voice, you know that I'm a lawyer who practices currently in California with a valid bar license. you don't have to question whether this information is valid because you can tell that it is. My reputation depends on it. It's not a document that someone randomly put on the internet or some random web page. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and go to my website, www.amandarochalaw.com/course. Otherwise, I will put a link down below. You can click on it there. It gives you a little more information. You can look at the curriculum or even sign up for a little bit more information. I offer a free mini course with basically a teaser as to what the course is, and you'll see some of the documents that I have provided and decide that way whether or not it's something you're interested in doing. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Again, you can contact me through my website, www.amandarochalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on social media and send me a message. I'm at Amanda Rocha Law. Thank you.